How to delete Call of Duty on Xbox Series S or X. First of all, when you're on your dashboard, get your Xbox controller, then you want to scroll up on the D-pad or the left stick to get to the top menu section where it says My Games and Apps. Click A there, then you want to scroll along until you see Call of Duty. Go ahead and press this button here, the start button. That'll bring up this menu here where you can go down to the bottom, and then you can click on cancel updating and install. That's if you're installing, but if you're just not installing anything on there, you can just click uninstall simply. So either which way, whether you're installing or not, once you click that button there, it will uninstall from the Xbox, and it will happen straight away as well. There's another way to get there too. If you go into the system settings, go to storage devices, then look at games within there. So there's two different ways of doing it. Once you've clicked uninstall, it will be deleted from your Xbox and you have more hard drive space. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.